When you're ready.
Well, I'm not going to shoot stuff.
Aren't you?
No. I wouldn't shoot.
You're gonna shoot me.
Oh, you didn't shoot! I had it and everything. Shoot him now, quickly, shoot him.
But it was quite funny because the elbow.
Shoot him!
Indian.
No, you can't go into other people's rooms.
Bloody foreigners.
The elbow wall, which was funny.
Pete, just as soon as he opens it. Don't you fucking...
Try and hit the camera.
Which camera's it?
Press yourself again. Saarth!
Not amused. Okay? Nice.
We are rosé swilling, smelly,
GNC.
gay,
Indian.
midget Indian.
Is he still running?
However, we love you.
Yes.
And please come again.
Is he still running?
Yeah.
Is that still your camera, is it?
The white hand, you notice? White. Not Asian.
Stop! There's no one coming. Come on.
Pete.
I gotta go home now. Do you wanna come say goodbye?
No, I'm good.
Oi! We've got...
Tag boy.
Smith!
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Just run him.
Just dive in, dude. Just dive in.
2, 1.
Don't dive on.
Ow!
No, not again. I shot him in midair. No, not again, not again.
Go on, dude.
Pete.
Definitely.
Oh, shit! Look at it! Oh!
That was quite a good shot. It's belt! God damn it. I was worried about smashing the camera when I dived in.
Oh! Mate,
Where are you?
Here!
I thought you weren't going to get me because I wasn't tough. Silly to even think that.
Go on.
I'll see you guys later.
Boys, let's take the gun home. Yeah, no way.
Guys, a message with your skin. We're going to read this. Oh no, I think we're just talking stuff. I'll trick skin. Stuff, don't be silly.
Bye.
Bye guys, see you later. See you, Matt. Good luck.